Hello everyone, welcome to Excel DOS. In this video, we'll learn how to translate text into any language. So suppose I have this text in English and if I want to translate into Spanish or German or any other language, so I will walk you through how to translate in Excel as well as in Google Sheet. So let's start with this. To use a translation feature in Excel, as you can see, I have some text in English language. So suppose I want to translate this into Spanish language. What I have to do is first I will copy this one and paste in this cell so that it will be easy for me to understand in which language I am translating the text. Once it is done, just click on the review section and here you will see the option called as translate. So just click on this one and you will see on the right hand side this pop-up is coming, right? So and from this drop down make sure it's selected as translation. So once it is done, here you will see from which language to which language. So in this example I am translating into from English to Spanish. So just scroll down, here you will find out Spanish, right? Once it is done, so just click on insert. The moment you click on insert, you will see your text is translated into desired language. Only thing is make sure your system is connected to the Wi-Fi. In this way, you can translate this English sentence into German, Hindi or the French language. Now we'll learn how to translate text in Google Sheet. As you can see, I have these text in English language. If I want to translate into Spanish, German or any other language, what I have to do is I have to type here Google, then we have to select Google Translate. First we have to select the cell for which cell we want to translate the text, and the next is we have to give the source language. For this example, our source language is English, so I will type here EN. Now the next argument is target language code. So our target language code is Spanish. So for that, I will type here ES, right? And once it is done, just press the enter button. So now you will see your text is translated into that particular language. So if you are not sure about the language code, I have mentioned the list of language code in the video description. You can go through that, and I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Excel DOS. Thank you.